Welcome back everyone. So in the last video, we have solved product prices at a given date, which was 34th question in the SQL 50 series. And in this video, we are going to solve last person to fit in the bus. So let's dive in. Okay, so in this question, we are given a Q table, which has 4 columns: person ID, the person name, its weight and turn. Where person ID is the column contains unique values. The table has the information about all the peoples waiting for a bus. The person ID and turn column will contain all the numbers from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Now, turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus, where turn 1 denotes the first person to board the bus, and turn n denotes the last person to board. Now, weight is the weight of the person in kg. Now there is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1000 kgs. So there may be some people who cannot board. Now we have to write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Now the test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. Note that only one person can board the bus at a given turn. Now the result format is in the following example. So let's see an example. So in the queue table, we have 6 persons and each person has their turn to enter the bus. So first Alice will enter the bus, then Alex will enter the bus, then John Cena, and then Mary, then Bob, and then at last Winston. Now we have to tell who is the last person to enter the bus. So we know that bus can handle a load of only 1000 kgs. So after Alice enters the bus, we are left with 1000 minus 250. The next turn is of Alex. So when Alex enters, so a total of 350 plus 250, that is 600 is already inside the bus. So we are left only with a 400 kgs. So next John Cena will enter, who has a weight of 400. So a total of 1000 kgs inside the bus. So this means that we cannot let other person enter the bus. So John Cena is the last person to enter the bus. So if you see in the explanation part, the entries in this table are ordered by turn. So first Alice, then Alex with a total weight of 600 already in the bus. When the John Cena enters, a total weight of 1000 is inside the bus. So John Cena is the last person to enter the bus. This explanation also gives us a hint that how should we approach the problem. The first hint is the first column, that all the entries are ordered by turn. The second hint is that the running total weight. So first person weight is 250. Then when the second person enters, the total weight in the bus will be 600 kg. When third person enter the bus, the total weight in the bus is 1000 kg. So John Cena will be the last person to enter. So let me explain you further. Okay. So we are given the amount of weight that bus can handle is 1000 kg. So the first person to enter is Alice, then Alex will enter, then John Cena. So these are the orders. So when Alice enters, the bus already has a weight of 250 kg. Then comes the Alex, which has a weight of 350 kg. Then comes John Cena, who has a weight of 400. And the total of this weight is 1000 kg, which means that John Cena is the last person to enter the bus. Now, how should we approach the solutioning of this? We have running total weight. So if we can calculate running total weight of all the persons, then we can determine the solution. So for example, the running total weight is, so for running total weight, Alice says 250 kg, right? Then when Alex enter, the total weight will be 600. When John Cena enter, the total weight will be 1000. And when Mary enter, the total weight will be 1200. And when Bob enters, the total weight will be 1375. And when Winston enters, the total weight will be 1875. Now, how will this help us to solve this problem? Now, we will create a temporary table that will store the person name with their running weight. So first person will be Alice, okay, which has weight of 250. Then when Alex enter, the bus has a running total of 600. When John Cena enters, the bus has a running weight of 1000 kg. So we'll calculate this temporary table. Now using this temporary table, we will select an entry close to 1000. Okay, so that will be this entry. Now how will we select this entry? Okay, first we'll write a where condition on which we will remove these entries which has a weight greater than 1000. After removing these entries, we will sort the resulting entries order by running weight in descending order. So we'll have entries like this: John Cena 1000, then we have Alex of 600, and then Alice as 250. So these are the resulting entry. Then we will select the topmost entry, and that's the entry that will give us the last person name who can enter the bus. So let me write the query first. Okay, so we have to calculate the running sum, that is select person name, comma, weight from what, which table? Table name is Q. Okay, now how should we calculate the running sum? Okay, that is, let's give this table a name of Q1. We have to select sum of what? Weight, where Q1 dot sum of weight from Q table, where what? Let's give this table a name of Q2, where Q2 dot turn is less than or equal to Q1 dot turn. Let's run the query so we can see the result. Unknown column Q dot turn will be Q1 dot turn. Okay, so you see we got, when Alice enters, the bus has a weight of 250. Then the next turn is for Alex. So when Alex enters, the bus should have a weight of 600. So when Alex enters, the bus has a weight of 600. When John Cena enters with a turn ID of 3, then it will have a 1000 kg. Similarly, for each run, we have the running weight. Now, using this temporary table, we'll get the desired result. We'll store this as running weight as this. Now, we will select person name from running weight, where running weight dot what? We have selected this as a running weight. We'll select this as WZT, where running weight dot WZT is less than or equal to 1000, and in doing so we'll get all the entries where the running sum of the person while entering the bus is less than or equal to 1000. So when Alice enters, who is the first person to enter, has a running weight of 250. When Alex enter, the running weight will be 600, and when John Cena enter, the running weight will be 1000. So let me show you the weight also. So this is the result set. When Alice enters the bus has a weight of 250. When Alex enters, the bus has a weight of 600, and when John Cena enters, the bus has almost exceeded the limit, that is 1000 kg. So bus cannot hold more passengers. Okay. So what we will do now is we will order this result set in such a way that the weight close to 1000 comes at the top. So we'll order by WZT, which gives us John Cena as the topmost entry. We'll order by WZT in descending order. And from this resulting entries, we'll select only the topmost entry. And from that topmost entry, we only need the person name. From this topmost entry, we'll only need the person name. So the test case has been passed. Now we'll try to submit and see if the solution can pass all the test case or not. So all the test case has been passed. That's it. Thank you.